Hi, this is Matt Boring with Texas Ponds and Water Features. Today I'd like to show you some pondless waterfalls. Let's go, shall we?
The sound of moving water is one of the most relaxing sounds in nature. A pondless waterfall is a great way to get that relaxing sound into your everyday lifestyle.
Pondless waterfalls give you the look and sound of a natural stream and waterfall in your yard without any of the maintenance normally associated with a pond. At the end, instead of emptying into a pond, the water just seems to disappear into a bed of gravel. They're perfect for front yards and commercial properties where reliability is a concern. Night lighting can add even more of a dramatic effect. Call us or email directly from our website today to get started.